rend les choses faciles. Et sèche-moi ces larmes de crocodile.
If you come this way, this is small room. Turn on the light. Yeah, this is my study room basically. So I study here mainly. I love it because there's a lot of natural lighting. I'm not gonna go through every single thing now because there's so much stuff in this room. If you guys want, I can do separate video what's in this room. And we have double built-in closet here. I love this place because I can film this way and this way and this way. But I haven't decided what to do with this section though, because I didn't want to throw out this drawer, so I just put it here. But I need to decorate this area. If you have any idea, send me the pictures and, you know, let me know.
And this is my closet. This is my little collection of action figures. There are some Overwatch characters, Mega Man, and then Rush, which is his dog, and then Chun-Li, McCree, Torbjorn, and Reaper. And then this was the thing that Sarang was talking about before.
Oh yeah, he loved the box, so he's keeping the box.
It's cool.
It's cool.
This is my motorcycle helmet that I never wore.
Alright, okay, that's the little room. Oh, actually, I keep a lot of makeup stuff here. You would think that this drawer is full of stationery, but it's full of makeup. Haha. And I have more makeup stuff here. It's like a whole thing of makeup. I need to organize this. Yeah. And then here, my piano that I haven't played for so long. My lighting, one and only lighting. And this little drawer thing is full of makeup as well. And I have my printer there. Full of makeup, yeah. If you guys want me to show you my makeup collection, then let me know in the comments. If you come this way, this is our kitchen. So we have our rice cooker. This shelf is from IKEA, and we thought it's perfect because it's open up here. Maybe it's in the room. We thought it's perfect because open up here so that when it shoots the steam, nothing gets destroyed. And we just put some stuff there, and we have microwave, and we put 2 bookshelves here, and it says welcome to Mooney's. Yeah, I need to decorate this area. I don't know, I'm just so busy these days, so I have no energy to do anything. But look at this. Isn't this so cute? My friend Tongmin gave me this. Anyways, yeah, we have toaster, and yeah, this is our kitchen.
This is the poison we put in our guests' food.
What? What?
These are seasonings.
Okay. We have coffee maker here, and some coffee chilling here, and some rainbow cookies. I don't know, I've been craving this. And Jessie finally found one. Anyways, we have a lot of storage area up there. Laundry machines. And this is the door to our backyard. There's nothing in our backyard yet, but we're planning on buying some furniture. We have only one chair.
The lone chair.
And then also grill. I have only one plant here, but I'm gonna put more plants all over here. Yeah, so that was our backyard. And last but not least, our master bedroom. Yeah. Ta-da! Yeah, we have our bed here. It's so high, I have to climb up, like, you know, I have to climb up. But it's good. And we have a little chair here. This is the area with the mirror. I usually check myself before I go out. So this is how it looks like next to our bed. There is a basket for dirty socks and nightstand. And this whole wall is my closet. This was the first thing I did when we moved in. So much stuff going on in there. So if you want the closet tour, then let me know in the comments. All right. So this is my closet and the bathroom here. My bathroom. Our counter is all marble and we put this little mirror from IKEA because I don't want to go in here and then lean on this thing and then wet myself. I don't like that, so I just bought this mirror so I can drag the mirror towards me and get ready. Yeah. I need to find a plate here, but I couldn't find anything. It's so expensive. So I don't want to spend so much money on bathroom organizer. So we'll see. There's a lot of things going on here. Pretty much messy. So I don't want to show you everything, but I keep makeup stuff and all the beauty stuff here, most likely. And when you come in, there's a little shelf here. It's not organized. That's all my skincare stuff. Yeah, and I put little glass vase with the lavender. I love lavender. It's my bathtub. Yeah, I took a shower in here. Dad, what are you doing? And the kitty bathroom is there too. Yeah. Oh, achoo. The good thing about this house is that we have door to the backyard. So after we put the table outside and like decorate it with flowers and stuff, I think it's gonna look so nice and pleasing when you wake up in the morning and look outside and there's like sunlight and like a nice flower and like, you can drink coffee outside. It's gonna be nice. Yep, so that's it. That's it for the house tour. I think there will be part 2 when I'm done decorating. So stay tuned for that. And if you have any specific requests, just let me know. Yeah. So awkward. Okay, this is it. I hope you guys enjoy this video and I will see you guys in my next one. Alright? Bye!